Hello students, how are you? I am Tejesh from 2Pi Academy. Today's video is about equality of matrices. If the two matrices A is equal to matrix Aij and B is equal to matrix Bij are equal, then it means that the order of A should be equal to order of B. Means if A is a 2 by 3 matrix, B should also be a 2 by 3 matrix. And the second condition is that the corresponding elements are all equal. That is, Aij will be equal to Bij for every I comma j. Like A11 will be equal to B11, A22 will be equal to B22, etc. As an example, let's take two matrices A is equal to 1, 5, 7, minus 1 and B is equal to 1, 5, 7, minus 1. Now what are the orders of these? Order is nothing but number of rows by number of columns, right? And both of these have 2 rows and 2 columns. So their orders are 2 by 2. Orders are equal. First condition is satisfied, right? And the corresponding element should be equal. The first row, first element, A11 is equal to 1 and B11 is also 1. They are both equal, right? And first row, second element, A12 is 5 and B12 is also 5. They are equal. Similarly, A21, second row, first element is 7 and B21 is 7. They are also equal. And finally, the second row, second element of A22 is equal to minus 1 and B22 is also minus 1. So both of these conditions are satisfied, right? So therefore A is equal to B. Before continuing the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified for every future upload. Let's try solving a small example. Find the value of A, B, C and D from the equation A minus B, 2A plus C, 2A minus B, 3C plus D is equal to the matrix minus 1, 5, 0, 13. Now both of these have equal order, right? No need to check that condition. They both have 2 rows and 2 columns, 2 by 2. So now the corresponding elements will be equal, right? So the first row, first elements are A minus B in the first matrix and minus 1 in the second matrix. They will be equal. So therefore A minus B is equal to minus 1. The first row, second elements are 2A plus C and 5. They are also equal. So we get 2A plus C is equal to 5. And the second row, first element, 2A minus B in the first matrix and 0 in the second matrix. So 2A minus B equals to 0. And finally the second row, second element, 3C plus D in the first matrix and 13 in the second matrix. So we get 3C plus D is equal to 13. Now by subtracting these two equations, we get minus A is equal to minus 1 or A is equal to 1. And now by substituting A is equal to 1 in A minus B is equal to minus 1, we get 1 minus B is equal to minus 1 or B is equal to 2. And by substituting A in 2A plus C is equal to 5, we get 2 plus C is equal to 5 or C is equal to 3. And finally substituting C in 3C plus D is equal to 13, we get 9 plus D is equal to 13 or D is equal to 4. So therefore our required values are A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C equals to 3 and finally D equals to 4.